In today's Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to attach and stick a particle effect to an NPC character, so the effect moves perfectly while the NPC is running. Here I already have a dummy rig NPC in the workspace. I've also attached a script to make the NPC run. If you don't know how to do this part, don't worry, I've linked a video in the description that explains how to set up a moving NPC step by step. Now, select the NPC and open the HumanoidRootPart. Insert an attachment. And then insert a particle emitter inside that attachment. This is important. Attachments make sure the particle stays locked to the character's body while it moves. Next, customize the particle emitter. You can change the texture, adjust the rate, set the lifetime, and tweak the color until you get the exact look you want. Feel free to experiment here. This is where you create your unique effect. If you want the particles to stand out more, go to lighting and change the time to night. This step is optional, but it can make your effect look much more dramatic. Now click play. As you can see, the particle effect sticks perfectly to the NPC character while it's running. And that's it. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more game dev tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.